Hello everyone, welcome back. Once again, I have another free preset to give away. It'll be in the description below. This one is a rectangle highlighter made for the edit page. I'll demonstrate it right now. After you download it, go to Effects, SDS 4-corner pen tracker. Drop it on. You can also use an adjustment clip as well. By default, the line is turned on. For tracking purposes, we're going to shut it off, or will affect the tracking. You do that right here. I had that left on, but if you come over here, click on this arrow, turn on the Fusion overlay. And these go in the order that tracker 1 here, 2, 3, and 4. And we'll track it. Okay, it's done tracking. Now we can turn off the overlay. Turn on the line. And right click on tracker 1, connect to, tracker path 1, position. And it snaps right to the first one. If you've seen my latest giveaways, it's pretty much the same. And right click on tracker 2, connect to, tracker path 2, position. And again, went right to tracker 2, right click on tracker 3, connect to, tracker path 3, position. And same thing with the fourth one. You have an offset adjustment, X and Y on all of these. If you need to reline up a corner, you can do that here. Just be careful not to move the trackers. That's the ones with the keyframes on it. If you accidentally grab one of them and adjust it, you'll have to retrack. When it's all the way out, to me the line looks too thick. So we'll go ahead and animate that. I'll turn it all the way down, go back to the beginning, and set it back to where it was. You can also do a right on. By default, I have the cap showing. If you don't want that, select this cap style here, flat, and you'll no longer see it. I have to use this on-screen keyboard because I'm paralyzed. I can't use my hands and arms. And set a keyframe on the length. Well, there you go. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.